You see the respect, the silent deference in a room, the assumption of capability. Most mistake this for a moment of power. It is not. It is a final calculation, the interest paid on a principle you deposited long ago in silence when no one was watching.
The first deposit is integrity. It is returning the unowed favor, honoring the forgotten clause, doing the right thing when the cost of cheating is zero and the witness is only you. This is not morality, it is strategy. You are building a reputation with the only entity that matters, your own word. When your private word is law, your public word becomes currency.
The second deposit is competence, forged in private. The hour of study when others are distracted. The skill practiced not for the certificate, but for the instinct. The system built not for show, but for unbreakable function. You are not learning to perform, you are engineering an outcome. Public moments are merely diagnostics for the machine you built in the dark.
The final deposit is composure. It is the decision to not react, to let the insult land, the pressure build, the chaos swirl, and to metabolize it into silence. Emotional leakage is a tax on your authority. Every time you choose calm over reaction, you are not being passive. You are making a strategic investment in your own mental sovereignty. You are proving to yourself first that you cannot be triggered into surrendering control. These deposits compound. Integrity builds trust. Competence builds reliance. Composure builds awe. The result is not popularity, it is leverage. The silent understanding that your yes means yes, your no means no, and your calm is the most powerful force in the room. This is authority that cannot be voted on, debated, or taken. It can only be earned slowly and defended daily. So audit your private hours. What are you depositing? The market opens at dawn. Be the most leveraged person in the room.
So audit your private hours. What are you depositing? The market opens at dawn. Be the most leveraged person in the room.